All right, I saw the trending recipe for high protein chocolate pudding made with hard-boiled eggs. Obviously had to try it, and let me tell you, it's so creamy and good. No one would ever guess it's made with hard-boiled eggs. For my version, I did hard-boiled eggs, a 0-calorie sweetener to keep it low sugar, cocoa powder and coconut milk to make it really creamy, and then here I am tasting it for the first time out of the blender. You can tell by the look on my face how shocked I was at how much it tasted like regular chocolate pudding. It is so rich and creamy. After I let it sit in the fridge for a couple hours, let my whole family try it. My kids absolutely loved it. Such a great way to get them some extra protein in, and no, it does not smell stinky. Honestly, I can't believe it. You gotta try this one.